Hello everyone! 레이첼입니다. Welcome to first time in my kitchen, and I think right now you know what am I going to cook, and let's get started preparing the ingredients. For the broth, onions and cubes, water, and then you have soy sauce, sugar, gochujang, gochugaru, and rice cake. For the vegetable, you have the cabbage, scallions, garlic, and of course, don't forget the egg. Let's go! Let's boil the egg. And now, let's prepare the broth. 1, 2, 3 cups of water, onions, cubes, and let it boil. Let's drain the onions, add the soy sauce, sugar, gochujang, gochugaru, and your rice cake. Let it simmer. Now let's add the cabbage, scallions, garlic. Let it simmer. Let's taste it. It's hot. Let's put sugar. And now the highlight, the egg. It's still hot, so we'll put the sugar. I will add the second cube because I don't have the fish cake. So let it boil, let it boil, let it boil. And now the plating. It's tasting time. Tteokbokki.
Masama naman yung sobrang
Lasa? Bawang.
bawang,
Sarap.
langhang.